answer for the pain that I'm feeling. Can't it come faster? What am I not seeing? Oh, this world ain't for me, but them all before me. So I will do it all for you. At the perfect time I'll say the truth. So I will surrender to the Creator, and I pray I enter heaven, I meet the Maker. When heaven calls, it's reaching out to me with open arms, with endless love. When heaven calls, the guiding light of my heart, I want it more. When heaven calls, I'm many a weakness, deep-hearted secrets, a weight on my shoulders, made my life much colder. But what is my